In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple goal tracker in Notion using an inline database. First, open Notion in your web browser or desktop app. If you're not already on your workspace, go ahead and log in, and then head to the page where you want your tracker to live. This can be a personal dashboard, a projects page, or a fresh blank page. Any place you regularly visit is a great choice so your goals stay visible and top of mind. Once you're on the page, click into the body of the page and press the / key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's quick command menu. Start typing Database Inline and select the option labeled Database Inline. This creates a small, editable table directly within your page, so it sits alongside any notes or context you've written. The inline format is perfect for keeping your goals where you actually work, instead of tucked away in a separate full-page database. With your inline database created, you can now shape it into a goal tracker. Begin by renaming the first column to something like goal so it clearly represents the objective you're tracking. Add a date property for a target or due date, and consider a select property called status with values like not started, in progress, and completed. If you like quantifiable progress, a number property labeled progress can help you track percentages, and a simple checkbox called done is useful for a quick visual win. You can also include a notes property for context, key milestones, or links to related pages. To add goals, click New and fill out the properties for each item. Keep the entries short and action-oriented. You can drag rows to prioritize, sort by due date to see what's coming up, and filter by status to focus only on what's active. If you want to make updates faster, open a row and edit it in a side panel, or make quick inline edits directly in the table. As you work, remember that flexibility is the strength of an inline database. You can rename properties at any time, adjust options as your process evolves, and even duplicate the table for different areas of your life, like health, learning, or career. If you prefer different perspectives, you can create additional views like a calendar for deadlines or a board grouped by status, while still keeping everything anchored on the same page. That's it. You've opened Notion, navigated to your page, inserted an inline database with the / command, and turned it into a practical goal tracker you can update daily. Save your changes, check in regularly, and let your tracker guide consistent progress.